get ready, 3, 2, 1, start. Tha the situation may have improved since the time of independence, Pakistan's health indicators are hardly satisfactory, full stop. For too many Pakistanis die preventable, early deaths, while debilitating diseases affect the quality of life and productivity of millions. Full stop. This is mostly because, despite the power wielders' stated commitments to improve the lot of the masses, human development is not a priority for our elite. Full stop. When members of the elite fall sick, they can opt for the best health care money can buy at private medical facilities in the country, or better still, fly off to foreign locales where they are healed in well equipped hospitals, staffed by competent medical professionals. Full stop. New para. For the middle and working classes in this country, the choices are far fewer. Full stop. Should the common man get sick, he can either pay through the nose and be admitted to a private hospital, or opt for suboptimal public health facilities, or die a slow, painful death. Full stop. To ameliorate this dismal state of affairs, the HRCP has rightly called for making health a fundamental part of the Constitution. Full stop. This call needs to be heeded by local authorities as well as those in Parliament. Full stop. Many of the rights enshrined in the Constitution are denied to the people, incorporating health in the nation's basic law will at least correct the direction. Full stop. New para. A major dispute appears to have been triggered over the budget announced by the PMLN's finance team, which, complains PP chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, has failed to allocate needed funds for the rehabilitation of the victims of the devastating monsoons and subsequent floods last year. Full stop. The parties have started to feel that the time may be right to go their separate ways. Full stop. Their simmering hostilities would suggest that a general election may be around the corner. Full stop. The country desperately needs this, but will we see a clear leadership emerging after the polls? Question mark. It is becoming incredibly difficult to predict what lies ahead. Full stop.